If you're working with a social media manager or anyone who needs access to your YouTube channel, they're helping you in some way, then the way that you can grant them access to your YouTube channel so they can access your videos from their own Google account, come down in YouTube Studio to Settings in the bottom left corner, click on that, click on this tab that says Permissions, and then here in the top right, click on Invite. And this is where you're going to add the email of the Google account that you're inviting, as well as assign them a level of access. And there's 6 different levels here from top to bottom in terms of manager is going to be the most access. They can view everything, manage permissions, they can start a live stream, they can create, edit, and delete content. So be very careful if you're going to give somebody manager permission because they can do all of that. They could really sabotage your account if it's not somebody you trust. And then all the way to the bottom where all they can do is view. They can view your account. They can view your analytics, that is, but they cannot view your revenue data. A step above that is viewer, where they can view all of your analytics, including your revenue data. And then you have subtitle editors, which is all they can do is edit, add, and remove subtitles. Editor limited is, well, I'll start with editor. Editor can view everything. They can start a live, they can create and edit content, but they cannot manage permissions, meaning they can't add other people doing this method we're doing right now, and they cannot delete content. And then editor, same as editor, but cannot view your revenue data. So those are the different levels. Choose the one that has the minimum amount of permission that whoever you're working with needs to accomplish whatever you're hiring them for. And then when you're all set, when you've chosen the correct level, click done. That'll generate an email, and then that person can click on a link. And then from then on, that YouTube account, your YouTube account, will be added to their Google account until you revoke permissions. If they already had permissions, you would see their name here in the permissions list, and then you could click on a button to revoke their access if you needed to.